Hydor-clean Array is an online PCBA cleaning system that integrates silent cleaning effect, no cleaning agent consumption, high efficiency drying, zero dry, easy maintenance, and shortest downtime. The unique cleaning technology of the system is mainly used to clean high-populated electronic assemblies with no standoff, such as FC, BGA, CSP, BTC, QFN, MELF. The modularization method is applied to design the whole structure. Optional dual cleaning modules, dual chemical isolation modules, and dual drying modules can be flexible combined and communicated with each other. Dynamic sealing mechanism is set in the cleaning section, which can reduce the consumption of cleaning agent by 50%. 100% of DI water can be filtered through the closed-loop cleaning system that achieves zero dry during the cleaning process. A chemical isolation section is set behind each cleaning module to reduce the consumptions of cleaning agent and DI water. The drying section adopts infrared nap plus hot air circulation that achieves long-distance efficient drying and ensures uniform heating temperature. Windows 10 interface is easy to view the system pressure, water level, and temperature, and display the real-time position of the workpiece. The system can be connected to the MES to realize traceability of the cleaning process. The system is easy to assemble and separate, which reduces maintenance costs. The frequency conversion control runs throughout the entire system to minimize energy consumption. The design concept of the whole system is humanization, no noise, no energy consumption, and zero drying. It helps to save the planet and brings users the greatest cost effectiveness.